I highly, highly recommend this here. It's Scallywag. Good for nothing. Hey. Let's install this wig. I use Ghost Bond glue. You take like a little spatula or something. I'm going to use the mirror over here because anybody got time to charge me using the camera? Anybody got time for that, right? Put this here. I do this to cover my edges because we want our edges. We want our edges. Keep edges. So you put it right in front of your edges. Do not put the glue on your hair. Even though it's probably still going to get on it, but I try to save my edges by any means necessary, because once my edges get pulled or my hair get pulled out, it's so hard for it to grow back nowadays. Like, take the glue, do this. I do about 3 layers. You see how my hair is sticking out right here, my little Ashantis? I'm just gonna push those back. It's gonna, I feel like it's gonna get on, because for some reason it always gets on my edges, but I try not to put it on my edges as much as I can, because ain't nobody got time for that. And then you put it over here. Make sure your skin is clean before you apply this glue too. Like, wipe it with alcohol or something. You see how I got makeup on, but wipe it with alcohol. Don't. It's just a headache. Like, this cap should be the color of your skin tone. You see how this cap is like different colors? Because it's really like a light brown. Like a beige. But I ain't beige. I ain't peach. I ain't beige. I am a chocolate girl. One. I think this is 3 layers. If it ain't, y'all, it's alright. But I believe it's 3 layers. So I think it's dry enough for me to place a wig on it. Y'all gonna have to bear with me because I'm doing this on the cameras. Okay. Gotta make sure where your middle part is. Do not have your middle part over here when it's supposed to be right here, okay? Okay. It's hard doing this on freaking camera, man. But I'm doing it for y'all. One side at a time. So now we got the top part on. We gotta get this part on. Yeah. Push your hairs back, sis. Push your hairs back. You gotta help him put this wig on before the glue dries.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
He had. Lay your head on my pillow. Lay down, lay down. Alright. Nobody knows. Oh, lay down. It's pretty. Turning ourselves. You see that? Ew. And then I just add it to the edges. Honestly.
As natural as can be. Right now. You can add baby hairs if you want. I do. Right before I leave the house.
Thanks for coming to my channel. This is the final result. Flowy bombshell curls. Still wearing this LuvMe hair. It's been lasting for a minute, sis. Put your hair up, half down. You can go like this. You can make that middle part a side situation. This hair is really good to see the part. Like you can part anywhere you want because it's a full lace. And I'm still wearing it. So, like I said, this is the final result. If you like this, comment down below. Like, subscribe. If you want me to make more videos like this, come back to my channel and tell me in the comments. Like, subscribe, y'all. Like, subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.